Okay, here's my remote. There's my logs. They're just really close. If I hit the power button, as you can see, nothing happens. I have to hit that little down button, and when I hit the down button, lo and behold, it comes on. And I don't know if you can tell it or not, but even the other thing comes on. To turn the fire off, I have to hit the timer thing, and that works sometimes, sometimes it does not. And to turn this off, I have to hit the down arrow. As you can see, none of the other buttons do anything. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. Okay, so there is my video, and I hit the bottom button and the little heater came on. And I'll let that come up and hit it again. And I don't know what that does, but nothing happened. So if I hit it again and again, the heater will go off. If I hit the down arrow, the whole thing will go off. I hope that is satisfactory and answers your questions about what works on this remote and what does not.
Medium flame. And that's the low flame. That's it off. And it does have a heater on the front. The heater works well, but it kind of heats up the fireplace. So I've decided to go ahead and leave the heater off and use a little space heater. But I do think it's really pretty. So that's my new fireplace.
All right, so we're remodeling our whole house. The fireplace doesn't work. I decided to order this thing. And I'm happy with it, actually. I mean, it's cheesy, yeah, but it totally does the trick. The crackle box works really well. We placed it inside, close the glass. If we want to use the heat, we open it up. And then the cord runs out the side right over here. So it's only temporary, but listen, it does the trick, and especially at night, it's super cool. And I'll let you listen. There's 3 different settings of volume on the crackle box. Very 1982, but we still love it.
Then you can also control like the brightness.
Grab your uniform and wash it.
What are you talking about? Can't divulge that, sir. Police policy. Oh, wait a second. You're the manager, so do you happen to know the name of the guy who was working last night?
They don't usually bite me, but